In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Softr site in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're new to Softr or need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring that by the end, your site will be live for everyone to see. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Softr. Once you've found the appropriate link, click on it to open Softr's official website. Now it's time to log in. Use your credentials to access your Softr account. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all your applications. Go ahead and select the application you'd like to publish. With your application open, you'll notice a plus icon. Click this to start customizing your site. At this stage, you can choose which blocks to add to your page and application. Select the ones that best suit your content and desired layout. Remember to consider your site's purpose and how these blocks can enhance the user experience. It's always a good idea to preview your site before publishing. Use the preview function to see how your site will appear to users. This tool is particularly useful as it lets you simulate different user roles and device screen sizes, giving you a comprehensive view of how visitors will interact with your site. Satisfied with how everything looks? In the top right corner of the Softr Studio, you'll find the Publish button. Click it, and a pop-up will appear. This is a confirmation step to ensure you are ready to go live. Click the Publish button once more to make your application visible to everyone on the web. Once published, your site will be live on the assigned Softr subdomain or your connected custom domain. If you've set up a custom domain, keep in mind that it may take up to 48 hours for changes to fully propagate, which is entirely dependent on your DNS settings. Finally, whenever you make future updates or changes to your site, remember that you'll need to click Publish again to push those changes to the live version of your site. This step ensures that your viewers are always seeing the most current version of your content. And that's it! With these simple steps, you've successfully published your Softr site. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you're now comfortable taking your site live. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your Softr journey.